Hi ladies, I've tried to do this video a few times, so if I seem a little rushed or irritated, you know why. This video is for the hostess portal. It's a great tool to keep your hostess involved, get her excited about her party, and put a lot of the involvement on her so that she can see how the party's going, she can invite guests, she can see the total of her party, how close she may be to hitting her goal. You're going to go into 31 today, as always. You're going to go into your parties, your open parties. And I've already clicked on mine. And then you click on the hostess, and her information will automatically come up. And when you scroll to the bottom, it'll say hostess portal. And this will be the link to her portal. Her login is her email, and then there's an auto-generated password. It is your job to hit the send button. This will send the portal to her email so that she can access it. I highly encourage you to discuss it with your hostess. Like I said, it's a great tool to keep her in the loop. But you're going to hit send, and then this will go into her email. And it will look like this. And it'll say, thank you for hosting. It'll tell her what all she can do. It'll give her the login link. It'll give her what her login information is. When she clicks on that link, it's going to open up this page. And it's going to look like this. Now, because I was logged into 31 today, I can't log into it from this browser. So I had to open up another browser. And I've already logged in. And it takes me to my party. And it's going to show you the details of the party. My information's at the bottom. If you go hit hostess, I believe it's going to show you her information so that she can see it. And then if you go to invitations, it's going to give her a couple invitations she can use. She can edit the details. She can make a guest list, which is really easy to do. And then she can send out the invitations. She can also go into orders. And this is where she sees where her party stands now. So right now it looks like it's $544.30, and that's $90 in hostess credits. There's 2 hostess offers, meaning the exclusives, and 2 half price. Maybe her goal was $600 so that she can take advantage of the hostess special. At that point, she knows that she needs $56 at least to hit that goal, and that's going to encourage her to drum up her friends, talk to her friends, get some more orders so that she can hit that goal. And under party tools, it gives her, the catalog. There's probably a link here. And don't forget to look at our rewards. And that's going to show her the hostess exclusives. 40 and 4, which is, let's see. Invite 40 guests in 4 minutes. So this is kind of like our Frank's list for us, but it's for her in particular. So it tells her like 4 acquaintances, 4 neighbors. A hostess whose party you attended and 3 guests from her party. And that's a great way to get her thinking outside of the box instead of like, oh, I can invite my mom, my sister, my aunt. This gives her other ideas, and like more people at the party, the better. She can view the monthly specials. So it's going to show her the January specials, what the hostess specials are, all of that. Like I said, it's just a great tool to keep her involved, keep her excited, because she's going to want to see that number keep going higher and higher. If you have any questions, we encourage you to comment below, and I will definitely answer what I can. I appreciate you joining me today. Thank you.